In this video, I'll show you how to reset your password for Microsoft Outlook using the official Microsoft recovery process. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Microsoft or Outlook website. Click Sign In. Instead of entering your password, select Forgot Password or Can't Access Your Account. This will take you to Microsoft's account recovery page. Next, choose the correct account type. Select Personal if you use an Outlook.com or Hotmail.com email. Choose Work or School if your account is managed by an organization. Enter your email address carefully and click Next. Microsoft will then show you available verification options such as a recovery email or phone number. Select the recovery method you have access to and click Get Code. Check your recovery email or phone for the verification code. If you don't see it, look in your spam or junk folder. Enter the code exactly as received and click Next. You'll now be prompted to create a new password. Choose something strong and unique with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm the new password and submit it. Once you see the confirmation message, your password has been successfully reset. Use the new password the next time you sign into Outlook or any Microsoft service. You may also need to update the password on your other devices. That's it. Open the official site, select Forgot Password, verify your identity, create a new password, and you're back in.